Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get dragon pepper and grow a garden. To get the dragon pepper and grow a garden, start by heading to the crafting section where the special seed packs are available. The dragon pepper originally came from the summer honey event, but you can still craft it by opening the appropriate seed pack. You will need 10 units of honey, which you can produce in a honey compressor using pollinated plants, totaling 10 kilos, and a flower seed pack obtainable from event rewards or harvest points. Once you have these, combine them in the crafting menu for a zero point 0.5 chance to get the dragon pepper seed. After crafting, plant it like any other seed and watch it grow. Remember, participation in events or collaborations with friends can help you gather materials faster, making it easier to secure this rare and fiery addition to your garden. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.